Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for JST. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now, the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high. Now we can also plot in our monthly swing low here. And we notice prices actually trading below the monthly swing low. We can also go ahead and plot this swing high here with multiple reactions acting as support from this wick and resistance. Now we can also go ahead and plot this swing low, which we have multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And now let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. So here on the weekly we can see more clearly how price reacted to this level here with multiple reactions acting as support and resistance, which is obvious to spot on the weekly. And we also notice this key level here with multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. Now we can go ahead and plot in our weekly swing high here, which is obvious to spot on the chart. And we can also plot in a key level right here, where we see multiple reactions acting as support and resistance. And we see reactions to the level. Now, looking at more recent price action, what do we notice? We see a key level here acting as support and resistance. And we have a swing high right here acting as support from these wicks and resistance. Now, looking at our chart, we can go ahead and fine tune this level to the weekly candle closes. And what do we notice? Prices broke below the level and is now testing the demand. So we can expect to see further downside if this level holds as resistance. Now, zooming out. These are all of the key levels plotted on the chart for monthly and weekly time frames. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.